Today I'm going to go over my low budget TikTok ad strategy to help blow up your dropshipping store. I'm also going to show you where you can get the best videos to promote your dropshipping store. And these TikTok ads cater for a low budget, however they're highly effective when it comes to converting. So let's get straight into the video. So firstly guys, before you do any of this, you obviously need to have a dropshipping store. Now I have one which I'll do for the sake of the video. And in that dropshipping store, I'm basically selling this product right over here. Now this product is basically a heated jacket. Not only that, it also has a power bank where you can also charge your phone. And what I'm going to do is use this store that I created and promote it on TikTok ads. So first thing, before you start your TikTok ads, you'll need to have a video created of your product. And this is extremely important. Now the company I have used personally for years is Ecom Ads. Ecom Ads creates viral videos for your products. So if we go onto their website, you can see these are some of their packages. Now they have video ad packages, you've got the split testing image package. They also have TikTok ad packages as well, which is what we would be doing for this particular type of video. So if we click on the TikTok ad package, you'll get 3 ad variations for the same product. Now this is extremely useful because when it comes to creating TikTok ads, having multiple video variations allows you to test what works and what converts better. Over here you can choose your quantity, you can then choose to add some text. Below that you can also choose to add a voiceover, and they guarantee to deliver your videos in 1 to 3 business days. And it's extremely easy to order these. You've just got to place your order, you then got to fill in a form which will ask you what your product link is. It'll also ask you what type of narrative you want to go for, etc, etc. You'll then receive the videos, and if you're not happy with them, they'll revise them for you, and once you get your videos back, you can start using those videos. So just so you can see how good these video ads actually turn out, let me show you an example.
Introducing the auto face tracking tripod. Say goodbye to the struggle of finding the perfect angle for your videos. With this amazing gadget, you'll always be in the spotlight. Your content, your way. Get yours today.
As you can see, that video was very well made, and I've used these guys in the past for some of my dropshipping stores, and I was extremely happy with these videos because not only were they visually appealing, but they converted. Now you'll need video ads created if you're going to start dropshipping, and some of you guys may be tempted to create ads on videos that are already created around your product. I would highly recommend to never steal content to use for your ads, because not only will you burn through money, but you'll put yourself at a risk at getting permanently banned from running ads. So instead of wasting money doing that, make sure you get your video packages from Ecom Ads. Make sure to use my link in the description, and make sure to use this code over here for 15% off. So guys, let me show you now my low budget TikTok ad strategy. Now guys, I'm going to go slow and I'm going to walk you through every option that you need to do for these TikTok ads. So first thing we're going to do is going to create an ad, and we're going to click on custom mode. Now once we go on custom mode, you're going to see over here where it says conversion, and we're going to click on website conversions. And then where it says campaign name, we're going to put the product name. So in this case, it'll just be heated jacket. And then we're going to turn on campaign budget optimization. So where it says daily budget, we're going to put $50 because that's the lowest we can put. We're then going to click on continue, and then where it says ad group name, we're going to put open one. Then we're going to go over here where it says optimization location, and it's going to say website. And what we're going to do is we're going to select our pixel, and in terms of optimization event, we're going to click on complete payment. And then if we scroll down where it says placements, what we're going to do is we're going to click select placements, and we're going to turn off global app bundle and turn off Pangle. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I've never heard of Pangle before. I've never heard of global app bundle before as well, so it's probably not the best place to start selling on there. And then what I'm going to do is click on advanced settings, and I'm going to turn off user comments. I'm going to turn off video download and video sharing. Now the reason I'm turning off comments is mainly because a lot of people like to leave hate comments. So for example, let's say someone's drop shipping the same product as you. Some people think you're the competitor and leave hate comments like, I haven't got my order yet. Other hate comments will be stuff like, oh, this is clearly a drop shipping store. So just to avoid all the hassle, we're just going to turn everything off completely. Now if we scroll down where it says location, you can see it says United Kingdom. Now you can target multiple countries. You can target US, you can target Germany, Netherlands is also a very good one as well, but we're going to go with United Kingdom for the sake of this video. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. So if we scroll down where it says gender, we're just going to leave that as all, because to be fair, this is a unisex jacket and pretty much male or female can wear it. In regards to ages, I'm going to select 18 plus. The reason for that is because I don't think a 13-year-old or a 14-year-old is going to buy these jackets, so I've just gone with 18 plus. Languages I'm going to leave as all. Spending power I'm just going to put all as well, because I'd rather TikTok figure out my audience rather than me trying to figure out who's going to buy these jackets. Now if we scroll down, we'll see something that says audience, where it says include or exclude. Again, I'm not going to touch this because I'd rather TikTok figure out my audience. Now where it says interests and behaviors, you can always put certain interests. However, again, I'm going to leave that blank. Device, I'm also going to leave blank as well because that doesn't really matter too much. Now where it says budget and schedule, what we're going to do is click this. We're going to select it for the next day and we're going to do it from midnight. Then we're going to go down here where it says day parting. Now this is something that worked really well for me. So what I'm going to do is select a specific time. What I'm going to do is select from 8 all the way to midnight. Now this is something that's actually brought in great results for me. Now I have tried it with all day as well. However, I feel like day parting actually helps convert a lot better. And this has helped me a lot in the past. Then it says your optimization goal. We're going to click on conversion. And then what we're going to do is select next. Now where it says smart creative ads, we're going to leave that off. The reason we're going to leave this off is because of the tight budget that we have. And where it says ad name, we can just leave it as creative name over here. Now you can create a custom identity and I'd recommend doing that. So I'd recommend putting it as the name of your dropshipping store and then putting your logo on like a white background. And then I'm going to scroll down here where it says video and I'm going to click on upload. And what I'm going to do is drag in my 3 videos that I got created from viral Ecom ads. Again guys, if you want your videos made, make sure to use viral Ecom ads. The link will be below in the description. So once I've uploaded my videos, it will say over here, enter ad text. So what I tend to write is big sale ends midnight, get yours now. And then I'll just select on each of the videos and put in the same thing. Then once we've done that, we just scroll down and where it says URL, we paste in the URL of our dropshipping website. And make sure to do that for all 3 videos and make sure to untick this from all 3 videos as well. Essentially, if you have that ticked, your videos will start showing on the creative center. So just make sure to untick all of them. Then all you've got to do is click on submit and then click on submit again. Now guys, I have set this up personally for my dropshipping store and I'm going to give it 2 days. So if you want a full video on the results from these ads, make sure you put it down in the comments below. And if you want to know how to set up your own dropshipping store, well, make sure you click this video just over here and I'll see you guys there.